stroller.
Yeah,
Are we live? Are we live?
We're live.
We're live?
We're
Okay.
live.
Okay, great. Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for clicking like and subscribe up in that corner. Make sure you get all the vids you want. We are unboxing today the Bob Restricted Revolution Restricted Pro. You can see it's got a couple phone numbers here. We appear to be in English, French. That's our analyst over there. Yeah, and maximum weight capacity is 75 pounds. So not good for some of your bigger dogs or some of your smaller cats, jungle cats. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and they box this up real good. We let it sit in the box area for a couple days. You know, that's what we do now. Box spot. We're gonna have to do a rare side box here, and I'm gonna go to the other knife and go ahead, and that's what. Now we've got. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, thanks to our cameraman Gus for helping out with that. And there it is. Yeah. Some assembly required. So this is how you stroll. Thank you, YouTube.